Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you clicked to watch today's video. Today we are making gizzard in a spicy tomato sauce. So let's take the intro first before we dive into the video. Okay, for this recipe, I'll be using 2 kg of gizzard. I'll go ahead and spice it up with some ingredients. I'm adding curry, thyme, salt, onion, green pepper mixture, and habanero pepper. And the list of the quantity of the ingredients that I use will be in the description box. Alright, after that I'll go ahead and give it a very good stir to combine properly, cover it and cook it without water. Please don't add water because the gizzard will release amount of water that you need. To the dry pot, I will be adding about 150 ml of light olive oil, and here I am adding tomato. For this recipe you can wish to use a pepper, which is a sweet chili pepper, but I'm using tomato. I so much like the taste of tomato. I will fry it until it is properly fried. And to the gizzard is cooking there. The water you're seeing in that gizzard is exactly the water that was released from it. I didn't add any water. For the tomato sauce, look at it. It is just as perfect as a fried tomato used to be. Once you see the oil on top, then your stew or your sauce is well fried, but I will leave it there a little. Now, hence there is a lot of oil in there. Yes, what I will do, I will take the oil out. Yes, all this oil, I'm going to take them out. We don't need all of them in our pepper sauce, but it is very useful for another recipe. All right, look at it. The gizzard has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and as I said earlier, there is no water added to that. It releases its own proper juice and is enough to cook it. So this is the oil I just take out from the stew. I've taken them out. The next thing to do is to add some stock in the stew. Yeah, in the fried tomato. Add the stock and allow it to cook to release the aroma. Yeah, when you add stock or water, it will get more tastier than adding your tomatoes or your gizzard inside the tomato without adding stock. I should tell you that I also added the pepper and onion in the tomato that I fried. That is what you're seeing there. And the stock, as you already know, had ingredients that I added when I was cooking the gizzard. So there is no need to add any ingredients again in this tomato stock. So I'll just go ahead and cover the sauce to cook on a low heat and then take out the gizzard because they are well cooked. Do you add water in your gizzard or in the gizzard when you want to cook them? Actually, this gizzard didn't add any water because I didn't add any water to it. Allow it to release its own juices, but if you add water, there is nothing wrong with it. Maybe you should try the method. Now the oil have been heating. Yeah, it have heated. I will go ahead and add the gizzard and allow it to fry. Please don't fry it to be dried. When I mean dried, because if you're eating it, you will have problem with your teeth, except your teeth be way. I'm just joking, guys. So you want to fry it so that it will be chewable. Yes, fry it not too dry. So I'll go ahead and fry the remaining one because I fry them in 2 batches. Now to the sauce, everything is ready. You don't need any more thing to do. Just go ahead and add in the gizzard in there and stir it properly. Honestly, this gizzard was so nice. Sometimes you feel like, biting your mouth. Or you feel like you want something to eat, just go to the fridge and take like 3-4 depending. Don't eat it too much, because if you eat it too much, no, anything you do or eat too much is not good. Yeah, so you take and eat and keep the rest. That is how we enjoy this. This is also good for party. When you prepare it for party, invite people to your house, they will really enjoy it when you present them with this beautiful tomato sauce gizzard. Yeah, so lastly I will go ahead and add some onions and stir it. You can add other veggies if you want, but I just added the onions to it because any suya thing or pepper thing that doesn't go with onions, for me, I don't know how you taste. So that is it. We come to the end of this video. Do you really like what you saw? Please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Yeah, it helps a lot. And thank you so much for watching to this extent. I say it. You know yourself. You are the OGs. And that is how Oma is. Oma cannot come and play with your house. I come and I watch fully. Thank you so much. And to test it, just use toothpick. And that is it. Enjoy the gizzard. And see you in my next video. Bye.